insights into the condition of metal components. While these traditional methods have been somewhat effective, they have limitations. They often require significant time and resources. They can be time-consuming, expensive, and sometimes not sensitive enough to detect early fatigue damage, which can lead to unexpected failures. This is where AI technology comes in. AI offers new possibilities for more accurate and efficient detection and prevention of metal fatigue. AI is rapidly changing the world. It is also revolutionizing the field of metal fatigue prevention. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data. They can detect patterns that humans might miss. In the context of fatigue prevention, AI can analyze data from sensors. These sensors are placed on structures. They can also analyze data from images and simulations. This helps AI identify early signs of fatigue. AI can also predict the remaining life of a component. This allows for timely maintenance and replacement. This predictive capability of AI is a game changer. It helps prevent catastrophic failures. Section 4. AI in action, from skies to roads. AI-powered fatigue prevention is not science fiction. It's a reality that's transforming industries. It is already being used in various industries, from manufacturing to transportation. In the aviation industry, AI is used to analyze data from aircraft sensors. This data is crucial for maintaining safety. This helps detect fatigue in critical components like engines and wings, ensuring they are in optimal condition. In the automotive industry, AI is used to predict fatigue in car parts, enhancing vehicle reliability. This is especially important for parts that experience high stress, such as during high-speed driving or rough terrain. These parts include axles, suspension systems, and engine components, which are vital for vehicle performance. AI is also being used in bridges and other infrastructure, providing continuous monitoring. It helps monitor the health of these structures, ensuring they remain safe for public use. AI can alert authorities about potential problems before they become dangerous, allowing for timely interventions. Section 5. The future of fatigue prevention is AI-powered. AI is transforming the way we prevent metal fatigue. It offers several benefits over traditional methods. AI is more accurate, efficient, and cost-effective. This leads to safer and more reliable structures. The future of fatigue prevention is AI-powered. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated applications. This will further enhance the safety and reliability of critical infrastructure. AI is not a replacement for traditional methods. It is a powerful tool that complements them. By combining AI with traditional engineering practices, we can make significant strides in preventing metal fatigue and creating a safer world.